Have you ever wondered what a 5K a month N8n workflow actually looks like? In this video, I'm going to show you one that I built this week. So if you're wondering about the background, I'm outside at Panera right now, but enough about that. Let's get into the flow here. So, a little bit of context. I built this for a lawyer. He has two different companies. He has his law firm here, and he has a camera company. So what happens here are there two scheduled triggers, one at 8:30 and one at 9 a.m. They both fire off at the times, and one of them, we have like an initialization stage here. So basically, this is going to get the data for his camera company. And basically what this is, checks if it's a weekday, has a list of topics, randomly chooses a tip, has email, generates the prompt, for scripting, which I'll tell you about later, and then we have this prep data node, which basically what that does, we just format the data in a way that it's going to be better in the flow. And I have a similar thing here for the law firm. Now, the reason I just did this is it's just easier to handle it this way, just to have like the data like that rather than having to handle it twice later down the line. This prep data node just makes it easy. Anyway, we have a chat GPT. This is for script writing, and I prompted it in a way which it makes it work for HeyGen. I'll probably upload a video on how to do that. Then what happens? We send it to him for approval using N8n's human in the approval functionality in Gmail. We check if he approves it. If it's true, it goes up there. I'll show you that in a sec. If not, he can put in some edits. Then have another AI node. Gonna make some edits. Send the edits to him. Check if edits are needed. They are. Go up. Then he gets one more round of editing. If he wanted some, then the final edits are sent up here to this choose version node, and basically what that does, it detects it detects which one it got it from, and then it just formats the data again. As you can see here, it just sees which one of these exists, and if the third one doesn't exist, then it's going to choose the second, and if that doesn't exist, it'll choose the first version here. Once we have all that, we're just going to create an avatar video of him using HeyGen, if you want to take a look at that. Right up there. I always do that, right up there. Then we're going to use Submagic to edit the video. Same thing, have a video on that right there. Then what's going to happen, we're going to take the script we got that he approved, and we're going to use AI to analyze it and write a social media description with like his contact information. Also just have another one here that creates one for Twitter because, yeah, 250 characters, that's super fun. Then what happens, this section here is a little unique and I had to custom build it for him. Long story short, he said like, hey, as a lawyer, there's, I need to put like a little disclaimer in my ad saying, hey, I'm X from Y law firm, my office is located in Z. That's just some like legal requirement stuff. He doesn't need to do that for his camera company. So basically, this part here, we check if the disclaimer is required. If the disclaimer is not required. If we don't need it, we just send it out here. If we do need it, we go down here, and I just made one in HeyGen. I stored it in a file storage, and I call the URL here. I call a Fall AI API here. I plug in the URL I got from that, and then I have the other disclaimer video URL, which I stored. And basically, I use this Fall AI API, which is going to stitch the two videos together. Love Fall AI, they're super great. They're super great and user-friendly and easy to use. Then after that, I have this code node just to get the final URL. I just thought that was an easy way to format it there. Because this could have been a little annoying having to do it with like a prep data node, so I just did it this way, detect whichever one exists. And lastly, I have a Zapier endpoint, which N8n is kind of annoying to handle social media posts. Yeah, again, for those you don't know, Zapier, it's usually pretty uh, rigid and clunky, but one of the things it's good at is handling social media. Where N8n, if you have ever used Facebook's or Instagram's Graph API, it is horrible to work with. So just having Zapier handle that last step is the easiest way to handle it. So again, this is what a 5. So again, as you can see here, quite a lot went into this, especially like this step with that disclaimer video. You know, this was my first actually big project that I worked on, and I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. So yeah, I just want to upload this quick video about like what a 5K a month AI workflow actually looks like, because you'll see these guys in the automation space, they're like, oh, sell this for 5K a month, and it like doesn't even work. So I just thought, hey, I'll show off one that actually we built for one of our clients. If you're interested in any custom automation, my name's Joseph, scholar with the Be Good House, scholar with the Be Good House, and director of artificial intelligence for Hippo Ads. The first business to come out of that. If you want this kind of thing, book a call with me. And yeah, just wanted to upload this quick video. Got some more cool videos like this one right. I always do that right there.